Hello everyone, and welcome back to another installment of Woolian Design Group's presented Da Vinci Unified training videos. Today we'll be talking about kitting work orders. For today's lesson, we're going to show you how to assemble kits and work orders. Before we continue, to better help with this lesson, be sure to take a look at some of these previous videos discussing kits. We begin this lesson by selecting orders and moving down to work orders. And just like our previous orders videos, we are in a familiar screen. To add a new order, we select Insert, and it is there where we will find the kitting option. Here in the General tab, we must select an account. Then we can provide an order number. Carrying on to the Items section, where we select a kit code of the kit we wish to assemble. And Da Vinci will check all available inventories for materials to develop these kits. Next, you can select an LPN for the built kits below. Then we have the desired quantity for kit construction. After that, we have our last required field, which is the kit's inventory's final location. Once you have applied these fields, you can allow Da Vinci to allocate your raw materials and remove them from your available item inventory. You will no longer see this information you filled in, for it is no longer in the same area it once was. Once you've applied all your desired and required information and allocated your materials, you can save the order, which will bring up the Actions key, where you are then able to print pick tickets. Once the order has been fulfilled, you can then change the status of the order from Open to Completed, and save. After saving, you can check your kit inventory to see it has been adjusted accordingly. And that's all the time we have for our lesson in kitting work orders. Be sure to check back with us for more videos on how to use Da Vinci Unified. And if you have further questions or would like to set up a training session, feel free to contact our support. Or check out our detailed documentation online. Thanks for watching.